Yeah, guess what? I got some packages. I got some packages in the mail. Somebody really likes me enough to send me some stuff. Let's see what I got. First package is from Essential Wigs. Send me an Afro steam cap. Look, baby, who loves conditioner hair? Me. I said conditioner. I go to bed with conditioner on my head. And it come with a little plug and everything. Now I can't go to sleep with this on my head. Baby, this package is from Earthling Co. Now, baby, what is this? They got me a conditioner bar, vanilla and coconut, and a shampoo bar. Josu, I guess I'm pronouncing it right. Baby, we got some spicy romaine salt and some garlic chive sea salt. It's some new seasonings, baby, what your girl love to cook. I'm so excited to try these flavors, y'all. This mug got a lot of parts. Oh, it's a food saver. Ooh, ain't that pretty? I'm so excited to use these. Got some bags. I just want to go to the store and go buy something so I can vacuum seal it real quick. Thank you guys. Love y'all. See y'all next time. Bye.